Good morning on this cloudy day. I hope you had fun yesterday and that you got to decorate your letter Z. Go ahead and send me pictures if you did. I want to see. So let's go ahead and sing our hello song. Ready? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you this morning? I am fine and I hope you are too. I am fine and I hope you are too. I am fine and I hope you are too. How are you this morning? Turn to your neighbor and wave your hand. Turn to your neighbor and wave your hand. Turn to your neighbor and wave your hand. Wave your hand this morning. All right, let's go ahead and sing our Miss You song, our school song. Let me move that. Here we go. Ready? Hold tight. You are my family, my school family. I feel so happy when you are near. I hope you know, friends, how much I like you. When we're apart, I'll keep you here, right here in my heart. So yesterday I told you that I was doing some parent-teacher conferences and getting to talk to some families. And I love seeing Peyton and Sean, and I saw Nevaeh's mom. I've been talking to Nevaeh in a few other ways too. Today I get to talk with Moilena's family and Paxton's family, so I can't wait to see you. I have a few more friends I get to talk to tomorrow as well. So let's go ahead and do our morning message and see who our leader is. You ready? Here we go. Dear class, today Lucy is our leader. Lucy wants to be a chef and owlet. Woo! Now I know Nevaeh wanted to be owlet too at one point. And do you know what a chef is? What's a chef? A chef is someone who cooks food for other people. So your mom, when she makes dinner, is becoming a chef for you. Or when you go out and eat, a chef is the one who makes the food. All right, and she wants to be a chef and owlet. Today, we are reading a book. Yeah, we're going to read a book. I keep forgetting that I included a really cool activity. So we're going to read the book that goes along with that activity. All right, today, you know what? Let's make it multiple fingers. Get out multiple fast fingers. You ready? Begin. Dear class, today Lucy is our leader. Lucy wants to be a chef and owlet. Today we are reading a book. All right, you ready to see what book it is? It's about an animal. And this animal can change colors. Do you know what it is? I'll give you some more hints. It has 4 legs, 1 tail, and is about this big. Today we are reading about a chameleon. Chameleons are pretty cool because, well, you'll get to find out in the book. But what do you see here? What do you think chameleons can do that we can't? I'm going to let you think about that. All right, let's find out what happens to him. This book is called A Color of His Own, and it is by Leo Lionni. A Color of His Own. Parrots are green. Goldfish are red. Ooh, how many goldfish are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 goldfish. Elephants are gray. Pigs are pink. All animals have a color of their own, except 4 chameleons. They change color wherever they go. Ooh, how many different colors do you see on this page? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 different colors on this page. What about legs? Shall we count how many legs there are on this page? I wonder. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 legs on this page. So 4 chameleons and 16 legs. Wow. And what colors are there? Yellow, green, purple, blue. On lemons, they are yellow. In the heather, they are purple. And on the tiger, they are striped like tigers. Look at all these stripes. Ooh. Let's count how many black stripes there are. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Don't forget a chameleon. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There are 27 stripes on there. Black stripes. Whoa, that's a lot of stripes. One day, a chameleon who was sitting on a tiger's tail said to himself, "If I remain on a leaf, I shall be green forever, and so too will I have a color of my own." Ooh. Do you think that he will continue to be green if he stays on a leaf? Yes or no? Why? Why yes, why no? Well, I'm thinking with a leaf, when I look outside and I see leaves, and I think when we started school, there were lots of different colored leaves. There were red and yellow and green and brown. So I wonder, and I think that if he goes on here, maybe the leaf will change colors just like our leaves do. Let's see. With this thought, he cheerfully climbed onto the greenest leaf. But in the autumn, the leaf turned red, and so did the chameleon. Oh. So when the leaf changed, so did he. Later, the leaf turned red, and the chameleon too turned red. Oh. And then the winter winds blew the leaf from the branch, and with it the chameleon. Remember how we talked about the wind, how it spread seeds? It does the same thing with leaves. It'll spread the leaves on the ground. The chameleon was black in the long winter night. Because what does it become outside when it's dark? Black. But when spring came, he walked out into the green grass, and there he met another chameleon. He told his sad story. "Won't we ever have a color of our own?" he asked. Can you answer that question for him? Will he ever have a color of his own? Will he ever stop changing? Let's find out if what you said to him. "I'm afraid not," said the other chameleon, who was older and wiser. "But," he added, "why don't we stay together? We will still change color wherever we go, but you and I will always be alike." Because if they stay together, they'll always be in the same color. And so they remained side by side. They were green together and purple and yellow. Although I would say part of that's orange too, huh? Yellow and orange. And red with white polka dots. And they lived happily ever after. So there it is, a color of his own. You know, I was noticing something as I read this book. At the beginning, they have most of their colors. But then look at the chameleon in this one. Is he all orange? No, he has some green mixed in there. Because he's following what he is standing on. And I think that is really cool. In fact, another one I was noticing was, where is it? I think it's right here. Yeah, the green. Because what are they standing on down here? The ground, which is brown. And you notice mixed in there, there's brown. So these chameleons aren't just one color, they're multicolored. Multicolored means more than one. So today, your homework is to color your chameleon. And give him a color of his own. So you can color it with multicolors, you can color it with one color, you can give it stripes, dots, stars. Ooh, there's so many different possibilities. Once you've done that, go ahead and send me a picture of it. And I can't wait to see it. All right? I love you very much, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.